No, really, it's like the afternoon. But y'all, I'm back with another video. I'm thinking about starting to post every Thursday and Sunday. So be looking out. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell, make your ring. But no, seriously. So I just got ready. I'm about to show y'all my new organization of my refrigerator. Matter of fact, y'all gonna do it with me. But I also got some errands to run. I'm currently cooking some breakfast. Let me show y'all. Which, I mean, it ain't nothing but a little razzle dazzle. It ain't even a breakfast. It's brunch because it's 12. Okay, let me flip these sausages. But yeah, the sausages have been flipped. So yeah, y'all. So in the other video, I had all y'all to like let me know or whatever if I should hem up my curtains or just leave them as is. It was like a 50-50. So as of right now, your girl curtains gonna stay the way they are. Okay, they gonna scrub the ground. I've been keeping them clean, so it's all good. It's all good in the hood. All right, but I obviously need to steam these curtains. I mean, I steam these real good. Y'all like that? Y'all like that? But yeah, I need to steam the rest of the curtains. I was steaming them one day and then I had somewhere to go, so it honestly didn't get finished. But we're gonna catch up on that. All right. Oh my gosh. You can tell I just woke up. Look at these bags. Y'all see them? So back to this brunch. About to crack these eggs. If egg cracking was a sport, your girl would have a gold medal. Okay? I'm smooth with it. Y'all ain't messing with me in the kitchen with the egg cracking. But anyways, so I ran out of the good pepper, y'all, so I had to use this little Dollar Tree pepper I had. It was sad, but believe me, the egg's still gonna be fine. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into the fridge organization. But I just want to let y'all know that those eggs was hidden with the Dollar Tree pepper. All right. So I ordered these bins from Amazon. I got the egg crate, which this one holds 18 eggs. You can get the 12 crate, you can get the 18 one. It's a lot of different stores on Amazon that actually sell them. But I got this one and it's really sturdy and I like it. The only thing is this looks like it's holding some extra large eggs and the eggs I get are just large. But we're gonna see how it looks. I also got these holders. These hold like cans. I think I'm gonna put my sodas in here and my waters. But if I do have some left over, I'm gonna probably use the rest of these because it came in a pack of 4 for my pantry organization. I also got these. These are not from Amazon though. These are from Burlington. I feel like it was a better deal to get these from Burlington and then to buy these separate to get the ones I wanted, like exactly like the 18 egg holder, because the deal that they had on Amazon, it was like a 12 egg holder. It was only one of these, and then it was like 2 of these, and then 2 big ones. I don't need those. So I got 3 of these from Burlington. They were $2.99 a piece. So yeah. All right. So my refrigerator stays organized, but we're gonna see how it's looking with the bins. So, all right. I'm gonna start off with the sodas and the sparkling water. Went to the grocery store a couple of days ago, so I'm gonna make it happen. The refrigerator telling me to hurry up. No, but they're really be getting on my nerves when I'm really trying to do something and it's rushing me to close it. Like, I opened it. I know I opened it. Quit playing with me. Jeez. All right, so I'm gonna grab one of these and just put my Cokes in. Look, them two coats gonna be shooken up so bad. Let me just sit this down. But yeah, I'm just gonna put these in here. See how many it holds. Okay. No, but it's holding 9, so that's good. This one here. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put them at, but for now I'm just gonna put them in there. We got one coat left over. I don't need to drink this. So let's see. I don't need to do what it do, baby. All right, let's get another one. Sometimes I be just having to make sure my camera is still recording because, listen, I really need to buy an actual vlogger camera because this iPhone, listen here. I'm just gonna close this because, like I was saying, I actually need to buy a vlogger camera because this iPhone 12 Pro Max, I got the highest storage, but yet it's always telling me that I don't have any storage room. Then they want you to pay every month a certain amount to have your stuff in your phone. Listen.
Not made of money. Leave me alone.
But yeah, if y'all not on these sparkling waters, get you some. It's not too late. It's not. It's never too late. All right, here's those. Okay. Also, this is from Amazon also. Y'all, we gotta stay hydrated. We gotta stay well. Our health is important. Drink water. And again, well, not again, but I don't think I said it. But this video is not sponsored by Amazon, but get y'all one of these. Get y'all one. Get one. So next, I'm gonna do the eggs. Hold on, y'all. I just want to say, I don't know when I'm gonna get my voice back. This is not how I sound. Or sounded. Anyways. This is crazy. This is mad. I left the refrigerator. Look, it's a habit. Alright. So yeah. So as y'all know, I cooked some eggs that were fire this morning or afternoon. And luckily, I cooked the rest of the ones in the pack because this only held 18 and we gotta make the refrigerator look good. So, let's get it. Eggs. Okay, it don't look bad. My eggs fitting. But I'm sure any size could go into this specific crate. Walmart, you owe me an egg. Not about to play. So now my egg ain't gonna be missing an egg because that one's cracked. We don't use regular crates no more. No, but I see people saying like, why would you buy another egg crate when it already comes with one? Look, we fancy, sis. We fancy, sis, bro, whatever. We fancy around here. So here is the eggs in the egg crate. And I'm actually To put this one in front. So yes, I love this egg crate because it has the top on the top of it like this, where you could just store other stuff on top of it if you really wanted to. So I'm loving it. All right, refrigerator, how much time you got? Yo, like, did my ring light have a timer on it? Like, I've had it plugged up too long or something. My power was going out. But yeah, here's my egg crate. I'm just gonna slide in my eggs first for now. Now for these bins. It's such a habit to leave the refrigerator open. You know what, it's gonna stay open for me because I need to figure out what exactly is going on in these bins. All of them coming off gently, and then this one want to give me a hard time. See, you're not gonna make the team. Like, you're not gonna make the cut.
You're fired!
Keep on playing with me. Alright, so here are these bins. Some strange shoes. Up. We're gonna put these applesauces in here. Who doesn't like applesauce? Okay. And it's getting good. So this bin held 8 applesauces. I guess that'll be straight put in there. More kid snacks. Some yogurt or Danimal smoothies. It feels good to get like all the boxes and stuff out of the refrigerator because slick tacky. No offense. Look, I've been there. I've done that. I'm gonna just slide those. Is this the front or is this the front? So I was really gonna slide some applesauces back here. Listen. Yes. We getting all boxes out of the refrigerator. That pizza box gonna stay though. We had pizza the other night and it was good. Pizza Hut always holds it down. Got some Capri Suns for the kids. Ugh. I really need this to come off. Refrigerator. Making me nervous, refrigerator. I should have like took these off before the video, but it is what it is. So this is what it's looking like. I'm just about to continue with the video and do this, and then I'm gonna have to worry about getting this out later. So I'm gonna put the Capri Suns in here. No one left behind. All right, so there's those. Cool. I'm gonna actually see how exactly how do I turn it off? Figure that out. All right. First, let's just go through and see what has expired and what needs to be thrown away. Because believe me, it be stuff up in here that be expired. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, my bacon bits expired. The old folk be like, you can still eat those. You better not throw that away. All right, this is ratchet, y'all. I finally got some more bags, so I'm gonna be putting these into these bags. So, what I'm gonna zip. I actually need a knife. February.
A few moments later.
Lord. Good Lord. I should definitely get a cheese holder, like a container. That'll be cute. All right, so I think I'm gonna leave my drinks like on this level because of how much room it is. Need some more milk. These small containers. Let me close this refrigerator so it'll reset. All right. So these smaller containers, I'm gonna see. Oh, they fit right here. So it'll be easy access to my kids. I'm gonna put them there. Capri Suns. Oh no, the Capri Suns ain't making a cut. That'll work. That will work. Hold up. So this is gonna be regular smegular over there. It's fancy over here. There we go. I'm gonna put my butter back down there. I'm gonna go ahead and stock my waters right here. Your girl got them reflexes. Don't play with me. Play with your man. I want a new refrigerator because I don't got time for this. I need a new refrigerator, seriously. This refrigerator is about to be this mess. Let's talk about the wine. If you ain't drinking this, what is you doing? This wine right here gets you right. Okay, how much percent is it? I really need some more because there ain't that much in here. Y'all got no percent on it? Is that good? 10% alcohol. Telling you, you feeling this after one glass. Get some. Leave down below in the comments what y'all favorite wine is because this stays in my refrigerator. My sister put me on, so I've never turned back. But I do have another favorite wine that I drink a lot. But this will get you messed up. If you trying to feel yourself, this the one. I haven't got anything for like my vegetables and fruit and stuff. Still looking tacky in the things. So I'm definitely gonna work on getting some containers. I'm definitely gonna work on getting like some containers for the fruit to keep it fresh. It's coming, it's coming. But yeah, I think that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in with me to organize my refrigerator. Like I said, some of the beans were from Burlington. Definitely check that out because you can get them for a good price. And then the egg carton and the canned drinks or canned products were from Amazon. So yeah, don't forget you guys to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna close this refrigerator. Don't forget you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll know the next time I post a video. Like I said, I'm gonna start posting videos on Thursdays and Sundays. So be looking out, tune in and support your girl. Leave comments down below. It really helps with my algorithm. So I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.